Objective, creating a quadratic model. Find a quadratic function to model the data below. Right, first of all, I'm just going to show you why we would know that it's going to be a quadratic function, because you'll notice these numbers are going down, and then right here they start going back up. So they're going down, and then they end up going back up. So it's going to make that quadratic curve a parabola. So that's how we know it's quadratic. Right, the next thing that we need to do is find the vertex. So I'm just going to look at these y values and see they're going down and then they start going back up. So it's between one of these two, so I could really pick either one as the vertex. I think I am just going to pick, for ease, I'll just pick the one, -12 as the vertex, but you could pick the other one, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to have y equals, if this was a positive 1, in order to get me to go a positive 1, I'm going to have to do x minus 1 squared. And then to get me to go down 12, we would put minus 12 in our equation. And then remember, we're going to be looking for the a. So now we're just going to pick another point. I would like a nice one. There really aren't a whole bunch of nice ones, I guess. I just think I'll pick -3, 8. Doesn't really matter which one you pick, but I'll just pick that one. All right, so my y value is going to be 8 is equal to a. We'll put -3 in for our x, and then we're just going to try to solve this out. So I'm going to get 8 equals -3 minus 1 is -4. -4 squared is 16. So I'm going to have 16a minus 12. And then from here, we're going to solve for a. So if I'm solving for a, I'm going to add 12 to both sides. 8 plus 12 is 20 is equal to 16a. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 16. And when I do that, I get a is equal to 1.25. All right, so a is equal to 1.25. So now if I rewrite that equation, I'm going to get y equals, my a is 1.25, and then I'm going to get x minus 1 squared minus 12. Do not forget the squared, because that's what makes it quadratic. And if you picked a different point, you're not going to get the same a, but you should get something close. I know I picked another one when I was working it before, and I got 1.11, but still it was pretty close. And the key, the code letter for this video is S.